Hi, I'm Christy Kattab, and I'm the marketing director for Cypress Grove Cheese. What we're most excited about right now at Cypress Grove is debuting our fresh goat cheese cup. The theme you'll notice is all of the cheese names have 80s song titles. We have 4 flavors in this line, starting with Straight Up, which is our plain. We have a sweet one, Sweet Dreams, Little Red Corvette, which is our savory, and Danger Zone for our spicy. They are snackable, they're smaller sized, they have high protein, low calorie count. For those that might not experience and know much about goat cheese, it's a good gateway for them to start with. Mary started her company in the early 80s. Fromage Blanc was her first cheese. We've taken the French names from our cheese and we really want to be that American original. So we've taken this opportunity to have a lot of storytelling, really touching on the start of Mary and what we stood for. And we provided our consumers with recipes as well as talking points for them to be able to use this cheese to the best of their ability. And you heard it straight here from Deli Market News.